Do you want Malika go first?
What's going on, Facebook world? It's been a little bit since the last live video, but as you can see, today we are checking in from the Head Start program here in Kokomo. Dr. Newman and some of our team is here giving out free exams and cleanings today. We should see about 150 kids or so today, so it should be a good busy day. We're just kind of getting into the thick of it now. As you guys know, Dr. Newman is our dentist on the base and has built his practice around treating kids. He does a lot of child sedation, so if your kid does deal with anxiety or anything of that nature and has some work that needs to be done, Dr. Newman is definitely the guy to see. Again, having that sedation option is very nice because the #1 reason listed for people avoiding the dental office is fear. So I'm going to get out of the way and kind of give you guys a first-hand view of what we're doing here today, and it should be a fun day. So as I flip this camera around, you'll see the lovely Ada's doing a cleaning here, and we got a happy patient here. Perfect. Getting her teeth tickled a little bit, but it's nice. That'll keep them nice and healthy. And again, I'll pan out here. So there's been a steady flow so far. We started at 9. We'll be here till 2 p.m. today, so please come on out. Again, everything we're doing here today is free. I see Vonda out of the corner of my eye trying to avoid the video. I would do that as well. So but as always, guys, let us know if there's any questions, and again, we're here till 2, so come on out. Very seldom is there free dental care provided, and this is something we feel really cool and strongly about, and is part of the community-minded foundation that we built Lad Dental Group upon. So as always, thanks for checking this out. Have a great Friday.